dimethyl propanediol reacts to form alcohol Y via the reaction scheme below. So cyanide compound, nitrile compound goes to acid hydrolysis, it will convert to carboxylic acid X. Then if carboxylic acid is reduced to lithium aluminum hydride, it will form primary alcohol. So what will be the answer? This answer will be C. Molecule X will be dimethyl propanoic acid and Y will be primary alcohol. Why? You see, this is the dimethyl propanediol. So CN group will convert to COOH group, acid hydrolysis. So dimethyl propanediol will convert to dimethyl propanoic acid by the aqueous acid hydrolysis. Then carboxylic acid, I mean dimethyl propanoic acid, if you reduce lithium aluminum hydride, it will form primary alcohol. So Y will be primary alcohol and C is the correct answer, dimethyl propanoic acid, and it is the primary alcohol.